Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys my travel essentials in hygiene and skincare. These are the items that I took along with me during the trip. So let's get started. I will share with you guys all of these. Also, just a quick disclaimer, some of the items are already in my emergency kit, hence I won't be showing them in this kit. So let me know if you want to see an emergency kit update as well. Now firstly, let's talk about the bag that I'm using. So I really wanted a nice organizer. So from Amazon, I went ahead and ordered this 3-set organizer. So this one is the biggest one that I'm going to be taking along, where I'll be keeping all of my essentials. Now this is how it comes in a pack of 3. Now it was supposed to be wash bag, but I think this is misspelled and it's wash bag. But needless to say, it'll just make me stand out. The quality of these is extremely good. You can find different colors. I went for this baby pink one. It's very nice, waterproof. Highly recommend you guys to invest in this organizer. And I'm okay with the misspelled word. I mean, it just kind of looks like customized and kind of pronounces the same. So I'm going to be using this big size one for my travel essential because of course I am a person who needs like all these items. So to start off with, first that I have is a shampoo. This one is the Love Beauty and Planet's coconut water shampoo. This one is a 200 ml one. I wanted a shampoo that is not too big. I'm actually using the Mama Earth's one, so I wanted like a travel size one. I ended up getting this, though this is also a little big, but needless to say it works. It's like this coconut water hydrating one, and I'm going to a very cold place, so this will be helping. Along with this serum, again this one came a little too big, but I just took it along with me. This is the Matrix Optic Care Smooth Straight. I love this serum. Okay, I used it and it just makes my hair so much more manageable, easy to detangle. This is a great purchase. I think this retails for 500 rupees. Highly recommend you guys to invest in this one. I mean, it's comparable to the L'Oreal's Extraordinary Serum as well. So if you're looking for like good serum, definitely give this one a try. The next essential that I'm taking along with me are these toothbrushes. These are the toothbrushes that I picked up from hotel, so I thought I might as well carry them. So I'm carrying 2 of these. They are already packed in plastic, so that's great. No need to worry about like water spillage or anything after I use them. And it's pretty convenient also. Like, why to buy new toothbrushes? I've already had them from hotels, so just taking along with these 2. You can also take a single one, but I thought, because they kind of wear out quickly, I took 2. These are some Perfora toothpaste. Guys, these toothpastes are so good. I got the mini versions for the travel. One is the morning toothpaste, which says awake, and then this one is the Unwind night toothpaste. So I bought both of them, and they are so convenient, small, so I can also carry in my purse, because during traveling you never know when you need a toothpaste. So yeah, I mean, like, you're traveling by road and then in the morning you can't open your luggage. You can just keep this in your handbag or something. So these 2 are like very important toothpaste. Next comes some body washes. So these are the 2 small ones that I had lying around. So first is this Plum's Hawaiian Rumba. I mean, I don't even need to talk about it. It's like very nice. I wish they come out with the vanilla vibes one also in this small little travel packing. It'll be so much more easier for me. And then the other one that I had lying around since very long, so I thought I might as well take it in my travel. This one is the St. Ivan's Lime shower wash. So yeah, just kind of accumulate every mini products that you have while you're traveling in your hygiene essential, because it's more manageable, lightweight. And of course, when you're traveling through airplane, you have like very restricted amount of weight that you can carry. Next is a very essential underarm, because I was going to like a very cold, dry place. I went for this milk deo from Nivea. I had already tried one of them very long time back, and then again while I was looking for some good deodorant options, because I can't use a powder one, I went for this milk deo, and during the winters it's a great. Next, I took some extra samples with me. This is the Sol de Janeiro's Bum Bum cream and the Brazilian Popule shower cream. I had them lying around, so I thought because I'm going for a almost 8-day travel, I might as well take them, because of course these are the days when you can use them, and then if you like them you can purchase. These are quite expensive, so I had like a travel size of them, so I thought I might as well take along with me. So this one is a shower cream, and the other one is like a thick moisturizer, and you can never have enough of thick moisturizers while you're going on a trip, like especially to trip where the temperatures reach minus. So yeah, these are the 2 extra samples that I'm carrying. Then for face wash, these are the two ones that I'm carrying. First is the Forest Essentials Delicate Facial Cleanser. The best part about this is it doesn't dry you out and cleans very well. And you can also get a bigger travel size one. I actually had the sample because I recently purchased one of the gift boxes. So yeah, I tried to use it. And then this is another one that I'm carrying just in case I get over with the first one. This is the Plum Spore Cleansing Face Wash. Like I told you, whatever sample small products that I have, I'm taking along. For body lotion, I'm taking the small one. This is the Johnson's Baby's Cotton Touch. I'd got it free from one of my purchases from Nykaa. Of course, like a mini body lotion. And then for extra moisturization, because I'm going to such a dry place, I'm taking the Plum BodyLovin's Vanilla Vibes Body Oil and the Body Butter. Now, a lot of y'all might think, so much am I carrying? But actually, if you see the sizes of all of these products, they are quite small. So they fit well and they get used up quickly. This body butter, I love it. It's like a very nice thick body butter. I can also use it as my foot cream because I will be walking a lot and I don't want my feet to get dry and my legs to get dry. So this is the combo that I'm taking along with me. Next is a serum. So I have this LAKMÉ 9 to 5 vitamin C serum. It's a small one, so I'm taking this along with me. Vitamin C is quite important in the morning. For moisturizers, these are the 3 moisturizers that I'm taking. Now this one is a new brand, Serene. It's that Glow Though Illumination Moisturizer, but I didn't end up taking this one. I took the red one, which you will see in my upcoming videos, because I found that will be more hydrating. This is a little more lightweight hydrating, good for temperatures like in your cities, but this one I thought that it might be a little lightweight, so I ended up taking another one from the same brand. I will share it with you guys. I'll link it down below also. Highly recommend you to get this cream, guys. It's the best. It's going to protect you from like a lot of cold weather. Next is the Plum Illuminance cream. Again, this was the sample size that I had, so I thought it's best to carry, and it's a thick moisturizer based kind of a cream, so that's great. And then I have to carry my Clinique Moisture Surge. This is the sleeping mask. I love the Clinique Moisture Surge range, and they are like best when it comes to hydration. So I carried the sleeping mask because I know that at least at night when I'll be going to sleep there, I won't be going along with dry cream. Then I had this eye cream sample from Forest Essentials, so I ended up taking this as well. All of these samples are really small, so they can get used up quite quickly, and would give me the skincare urge that I would have while traveling also. So this is the eye cream. Then sunscreen is so important, so I'm carrying 2 of them. So this is the Sunscoop Invisible Sunscreen, which I'll be carrying along with me in my hand luggage just in case, because sunscreen, like, I need to put up everywhere. Next is this, the main sunscreen. This is the 1% hyaluronic acid tinted sunscreen from the Dermaco, and I'm using this like I use it kind of like a base also. So this one is the first one that I used to use, and now I've switched to the tinted one, especially for my trip because I won't be wearing makeup as such. Next is lip balm. I'm going ahead with my trusted Laneige lip sleeping mask. You can see how much I've used it. There's hardly a little left, so this is something that I'm taking along with me. I don't know how well it works in such temperatures, but let's see. For perfume, I'm taking 2 of these. First is the Sol de Janeiro's Brazilian Coco Cabana. I love it. It just makes you smell like a coconut candy. So this is one of my like go-to ones. I wish I can purchase a bigger size one, but it's so expensive. And the next perfume that I'm taking is the Victoria's Secret Tease. Now I'm going to quite a cold place, so even if you use like such body mists, they're gonna last quite long. Now next thing is a mouthwash, very important. So this one is the mini one from Listerine. So I'm taking this mouthwash along with me, like, yeah, pretty much of a basic hygiene essential. So this is the one. Next are some sanitary napkins. So these are the sanitary napkins that I'm taking. Not many, just a few. Now apart from this, there are a lot of other hygiene essentials that I'll be carrying, like sanitizers and all, but they're already there in my emergency kit and my carry-on luggage. So I will be making like a different video on what's in my carry-on bag, but let me know if you want to see a what's in my emergency kit updated one, because I know there'll be a lot more items to carry along. The last thing that I have is this Lactocalamine's oil control wipe. wipes because you can never have enough of wet wipes. So I'm just adding this into my hygiene travel skincare essential kit. Like, of course, like if I want to remove my makeup or anything like eyeliner or something, so these wipes will be quite handy and just to clean. So this is basically everything that I'm carrying along with me. Now I'm going to pack it in this very nice bag. I'll link most of these products in the description box below so you can check them out. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what or more travel essential videos you want to see. I would love to make them for y'all.